Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. This is your tyre pressure sensor ECU, and just a quick video to show you where this is located in the Audi A6, R6 and RS6 for the C5 platform. So let's take a look. So this is the location of your tyre pressure monitor ECU. It's actually hidden in behind the boot wall, but that's exactly where it's located. I've actually produced a video on how to remove this unit as well, so if you need to do that, I'll add a link for you below this video. Just scroll down and check that out if you actually need to get this removed from the car. But that is the location of the ECU right there.